Hey there, car lovers. What if I told you that some of the things you're doing behind the wheel right now are sabotaging your engine without you even realizing it? That's right. These common driving habits can drain your wallet and leave you stranded on the roadside. And guess what? Even experienced drivers are guilty of these. In today's video, we're exposing 5 engine-wrecking habits that mechanics wish you'd stop doing immediately. Stick around, because if you break these bad habits, you'll save yourself thousands of dollars and maybe even extend your car's life by years. Ready? Let's get rolling. First up, blasting off like a rocket when your engine is cold. You just started your car, and instead of easing into your drive, you mash the accelerator like you're at a drag race. Sound familiar? Here's the problem. When your engine is cold, the oil inside hasn't fully circulated yet. Without proper lubrication, the moving parts in your engine, like pistons and cylinders, rub against each other with extra friction. This can cause premature wear and tear. Think of it as running a marathon without stretching. Your body pays for it, and so does your engine. Additionally, cold acceleration forces your engine to work harder while it's already in a vulnerable state. This strain can lead to long-term damage to critical parts like the camshaft and valves. On top of that, driving hard on a cold engine uses more fuel, wasting both money and efficiency. So, start slow and let your engine get into its comfort zone before putting the pedal to the metal. Let's talk about engine oil, the lifeblood of your car. You wouldn't put soda in your coffee, so why use the wrong oil in your engine? Many drivers assume all oils are the same, but that's a costly mistake. Each car is designed to work with a specific type and viscosity of oil. Using the wrong oil can lead to inadequate lubrication, increased friction, and overheating. Over time, this can cause internal engine parts to seize up or wear down faster than they should. It's not just about viscosity, oil quality matters too. Cheap oils or expired products can degrade quickly, leaving sludge in your engine. And don't forget about seasonal changes. In winter, your car may need oil with a different grade to handle the cold. The bottom line? Always stick to your manufacturer's recommendations and use high-quality oil. It's a small investment for long-term peace of mind. Next up is a habit that's often overlooked: constantly driving at low RPMs. Now, you might think you're being fuel efficient by keeping your engine revs low, but here's the hidden danger. When your engine operates at consistently low RPMs, it doesn't get hot enough to burn off carbon deposits that naturally build up over time. This can lead to clogged intake valves, reduced performance, and even engine misfires. Basically, you're choking your engine without realizing it. Prolonged low RPM driving can also cause incomplete combustion, which wastes fuel and increases harmful emissions. If you drive a diesel engine, the risk of carbon buildup is even greater. To prevent these issues, try driving at higher speeds on highways every so often to clean out the system. It's called an Italian tune-up, and it's a simple way to keep your engine running smoothly. Here's a silent killer that many drivers neglect: dirty air filters and poorly maintained cooling systems. Your air filter might seem like a small, insignificant part of your car, but it's crucial for your engine's health. When your air filter gets clogged, your engine can't get the air it needs to burn fuel efficiently. This leads to reduced performance, increased fuel consumption, and, over time, can even damage engine components. And let's not forget about the cooling system. If you're driving with low coolant levels or a neglected radiator, your engine is at risk of overheating. An overheated engine can cause serious damage, like warped cylinder heads or blown gaskets. Failing to replace your air filter on time can also allow dirt and debris to enter the engine, causing internal damage. As for your cooling system, a corroded or clogged radiator can completely fail, leaving you stranded with a fried engine. So, make air filter replacements and coolant checks part of your routine maintenance. It's a small step with big benefits. Finally, let's talk about sudden stops and starts, especially in traffic. We've all been there, frustrated in a traffic jam, slamming on the brakes and hitting the gas repeatedly. But did you know this habit can wreak havoc on your engine and more? Frequent, abrupt stops and starts put extra stress on your engine mounts, which are designed to hold your engine in place. Over time, this stress can cause the mounts to wear out, leading to excessive vibrations and even misalignment. What's more, aggressive stop-and-go driving burns fuel at an alarming rate, impacting your car's efficiency. It also wears down your transmission, brakes, and tires, creating a ripple effect of damage. To combat this, maintain a steady pace, leave adequate space between you and the car in front, and stay calm. It's safer, smoother, and a lot less stressful on your vehicle. These 5 habits might seem small, but over time, they can lead to big problems for your engine and your bank account. The good news? Now that you know better, you can start driving smarter today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to keep your car knowledge on point. And hey, share your driving habits in the comments. Are you guilty of any of these? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.